Hello friends, welcome back to Kaydanivato. Today's video explains chapter 13 of the Bhartiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. This chapter covers section 173 to 196. It's all about how the police get information and investigate. So let's break it down in simple. Section 173, information in cognizable cases, how and where such information is recorded, including electronic submissions, and process when the information is a woman or vulnerable person. Section 174, information as non-cognizable cases, police record the information and must refer the informant to the magistrate. Police cannot investigate without the judicial order. So section 173 explains the cognizable offence and section 174 is explain the non-cognizable offences. Section 175, police officers' powers to investigate cognizable case allow the officer to begin investigation upon receipt of the information. Section 176, procedure for investigation, guidelines for how the investigation is to be conducted after the receiving information. Section 177, report how submitted, police to submit investigation report to magistrate. Section 178, power to hold investigation or preliminary inquiry, authorize preliminary inquiries before full investigation. Section 179, police power to require attendance of the witness, compulsory attendance of the witnesses for investigations. Section 180, examination of witnesses by police, procedure for recording witnesses and statement. Section 181, statements to police not to be signed used in evidence, prohibit sign in of the statements and restrict their use in the court. Section 182, no inducement be offered, ensure statements are free from the coercion. Section 183, recording of the confession and statements, rules for how confession and statements must be recorded. Section 184 to 187, Section 184, medical examination of the victim of rape, protocol for medical examination of survivors. Section 185, search by police officers, authority and procedure for the search operations. Section 186, when police station in charge may require another to issue search warrant, delegation of authority to issue search warrants. Section 187, procedure when investigation cannot be completed in 24 hours, interim steps when immediate investigation is not possible. Section 188 to 193, Section 188, report of investigation by the subordinate police officer, how reports from the junior officers are handled. Section 189, release of accused when evidence deficit, release report when evidence is inadequate. Section 189 says that release of the accused when the evidence is deficit, release protocol when the evidence is inadequate. Section 190, cases to be sent to magistrate when the evidence is sufficient, when and how case move forward based on evidence. Section 191, complaint and witnesses not to be required to accompany a police officer and not to be subject to restraint. Safeguard against the unnecessary restraint. Section 192, diary of the proceedings in investigation, mandatory maintain of the investigation diary. Section 193, report of the police officer on completion of investigation, submission of final investigation report to magistrate. Section 194 to 196, Section 194, police to inquire and report on suicide etc. Duty to investigate unnatural or suspicious death. Section 195, power to summons person, authority to summon individuals during the inquiry. Section 196, inquiry by magistrate into cause of death, outline the magistrate's role when investigation a death. So that is chapter 13. It's covered section 173 to 196, detailing how police receive information and conduct the investigation under BNSS. So friend, that was the chapter 13, which is over here now. I will try my best to explain in simple language to understand the BNSS sections. If you found this breakdown is useful, then share, like and subscribe this channel Kaydanivato. We will meet soon in next video with next chapter. Till then, bye, take care, Jai Hind and stay connected with Kaydanivato.